Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to search in PDF here in Brave. Okay, let's say you're trying to find a word. Now, the way to find one is by basically pressing Ctrl plus F on your keyboard. If you're using Windows, of course. If you're using a Mac or Mac OS, well, just go and find CMD plus F. Okay, now let's say I'm using Windows right here. I'm going to press Ctrl plus F. And here we have the search bar. Okay, so what you do is just go ahead and type down the word or even a sentence, okay, that you'd like to find. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and type down desktop. Okay, DESKTOP. And as you can see here, I have this for results. Okay, so in your screen, it only shows one desktop. Okay, just move to the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay, that's basically how you do it. That's how simple it is to search here in a PDF using Brave. If you want to find out some more words, well, just delete this one and just type down another word. Okay, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.